Hi, I'm Laurel Guy. Today we're visiting 7085 Route 227. This is a place where you can dream. It's a hobby farm just 3 minutes from the village of Trumansburg, and there's so much here. A beautiful, well-built contemporary home set back from the road, 12 acres of prime land, beautiful barns, a cider tree orchard. I could go on and on. This property has so much to offer. Green Acres is the place to be. Everything is here for you to start a new life. Imagine keeping horses, pigs, chickens, sheep, llamas, or cows. And there's so much here already. Fruit trees, beautiful perennial and veggie gardens, a pond, a butterfly meadow, and all the black caps you can pick. Wow, all this plus a comfortable, spacious home. You'll love the dramatic, open living dining room with a balcony overlook. You'll like the flexible floor plan with 2 bedrooms down and 2 bedrooms up. Let's take a closer look inside the main barn. It's beautiful, and it has a stunning heated studio workshop with so many possibilities. Here you have room to breathe, room to dream. Make your hobby farm into a reality. 7085 Route 227, Trumansburg, New York.